Hello guys, this is your favorite educator KP Sir Krishna Prakash. Always I came up with exciting and new news. This time Tripura Public Service Commission JEE examination notification. So Tripura Public Service Commission Junior Engineer, this many number of vacancies. Please check this one. Junior Engineer Civil total 176 posts. Mechanical 12, electrical 12, again junior engineer based on diploma, degree based BTech based 176, civil diploma based again 176. This many posts for civil engineer, total 176 BTech engineers के लिए, 176 डिप्लोमा इंजीनियर्स के लिए, इतना सारा अपॉर्चुनिटीज. सिर्फ मैकेनिकल और इलेक्ट्रिकल के लिए 12 बट सिविल के लिए इतना सारा अपॉर्चुनिटीज आर देयर. अगेन यू आर सीइंग हियर द पैकेज 47,600 बेसिक पे, 34,700 बेसिक पे. So your basic pay is this one, means for 47,600 will reach to around 80,000, 90,000. 34,700 will reach to 70,000 or 75,000. अरे पैकेज का जरूरत क्या है? स्टेट गवर्नमेंट जॉब मिल रहा है आपको, जूनियर इंजीनियर पोजीशन थ्रू बीटेक थ्रू डिप्लोमा, 2 opportunities. Now when it is coming for the women category, 33% reservation is given for women's. For girl candidates, junior engineer degree based civil out of 176, 60 for women, same for diploma out of 176, 60 for women. अरे 60 only for women candidates. Girl students, gear up your preparation. आपको पक्का जॉब मिल जाएगा. ये इतना सारा वैकेंसीज आ गया देखो. Exclusively for you, they clearly written in the notification. Exclusively for women candidates, 60 posts are there. So now when we came to know about detailed information about breakdown, go through website ppsc.tripura.gov.in. And what is education qualification? Simple. Candidate must have at least a degree in appropriate branch of engineering. That's it. BTech or BE or degree from civil engineering. Other than that, nothing required. You no need to worry. Okay, you can go ahead. Other than that, nothing required. BTech or BE civil engineering. So you have a construction technology management, you have a transportation engineering, you have anything, it will be considered under civil engineering only. Then junior engineer for a diploma. Diploma must have, means you must complete your diploma already. Already completed students can apply, not present ongoing students. इतना सारा बार हम बोल दिया, प्रेजेंट स्टडिंग स्टूडेंट्स आप गेट या ईएससी को फोकस करो. खत्म होने वाला स्टूडेंट्स अभी आप इनके लिए जूनियर इंजीनियर पोस्ट के लिए फोकस करो. आपको स्टेट गवर्नमेंट जॉब, सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट जॉब इतना सारा वैकेंसीज आएगा. 2023 एंड 2024 आई टोल्ड यू, गोल्डन ईयर्स ऑफ जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज. सो आपको पक्का जॉब मिल जाएगा. इतना सारा अपॉर्चुनिटी किसी को नहीं मिलेगा. सो वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, क्लियरली गिवन, applicant must have permanent resident certificate of Tripura PRTC. For what post? 5A, 5B. Please check what is 5A, 5B. 5A, 5B, this one. 5A, mechanical. 5B means all posts, na? This is also 5A, this is also 5A, this is also 5A. 5B. So for all posts, it is only for state, Tripura state students only. Applicant must have permanent residence certificate of Tripura. Means other state students not applicable. Other state students not applicable. Age must be between 18 to 40 years. Means 24/8/2023, as on 24/8/2023, your age must be greater than 18 or less than 40. So more than 18 years, less than 40 years, there is a relaxation. 5 years for SC, ST, PH candidates, Relaxation will be there. SC, ST, physically handicapped candidates, 5 years relaxation is there. So what is maximum age? Maximum age is 40 years. Minimum, अरे आपको बीटेक खत्म होने के बाद, डिप्लोमा खत्म होने के बाद ये हो जाएगा minimum age 18 years, maximum age 40 years. Then selection procedure. Selection procedure as per combined exam rules, and you have to submit application. Last date for application 24/8. August 24th is the last date for your application. 3 patterns of examination: prelims, mains, interview. Preliminary examination for MCQ type 100 marks. Preliminary examination is MCQ type 100 marks. So in that, unreserved category students must get 40%. Reserved category students must get a cutoff of 30%. You are eligible for mains examination. So preliminary 100 में 40 लेके आओ unreserved candidate, you can go for mains. Preliminary 100 में 30 लेके आओ reserved candidate, you go for mains examination. Mains examination is for 500 mark. 500 mark. Minimum cutoff again 40% and 30%. Then you go for 100 में 40 30 लेके आओ mains के चलो, 50 में 40% 30% लेके आओ इंटरव्यू को चलो. 3 stages. Stage 1 preliminary, Stage 2 mains, Stage 3 interview and personality test. Interview and personality test को 50 marks आएगा. Interview and personality test को 50 marks आएगा. समझ आ रहा है आपको? So Stage 1 prelims के लिए 100 mark, 100 में 40% for unreserved, 30% for reserved. Then you go to mains, 500 marks. Then after prelims and mains completed, interview 50 mark. 50 mark, very important. Final job selection में मेंस एंड इंटरव्यू मार्क ऐड करके फाइनलाइज करेगा, फाइनल लिस्ट बना देंगे. दे आर मेकिंग द फाइनल लिस्ट यूजिंग एडिंग मार्क्स ऑफ मेंस एंड इंटरव्यू. हाउ विल बी प्रीलिम्स एग्जामिनेशन? ओनली 1 पेपर, जनरल स्टडीज, इंजीनियरिंग एप्टीट्यूड. जनरल स्टडीज एंड इंजीनियरिंग एप्टीट्यूड. ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ 100 मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस of 100 marks, which is 2 hours. English composition 10 mark, general knowledge and current affairs 10 marks, remaining 80 marks your aptitude and reasoning. Engineering aptitude means gate aptitude reasoning से हो जाएगा, पूरा सिलेबस हो जाएगा. मीन्स गेट सिलेबस से 10 इंग्लिश हो जाएगा, 80 marks aptitude reasoning हो जाएगा. Only for this general knowledge and current affairs you need to study well. Negative marking is there. You have to focus. You are going to get negative marks. It will be very, very important. Negative marks are there. Mains examination. Again, mains examination 100 marks for 1 hour duration. Then optional paper, you can select 2 of the following papers. Civil engineering, you have to write core, 2 marks for 200 marks for each. Total 400 marks. Mains examination 400 marks civil paper 1 paper 2, each paper 3 hour duration, 100 marks for general studies. After that interview, when you crack 40% of it, you are coming for interview. So interview kaisa select karega? For every 1 vacancy 5 people, for every 2 vacancies 8 people, for every 3 vacancies 3 times of number of vacancies. So 170 posts are there, 176 posts are there, 3 into 176. That many people are selected. So understand this ना, मेंस एंड इंटरव्यू दोनों मार्क ऐड करके आपको फाइनल लिस्ट जॉब दिएगा. 27 जुलाई से शुरू करेगा एप्लीकेशन, 24 अगस्त तक, एंड योर प्रिलिमिनरी एग्जामिनेशन इज ऑन 7 अक्टूबर. सफिशिएंट टाइम इज देयर. बट यू नीड टू रिमेंबर 7 अक्टूबर का बाद में 2-3 महीने में मेंस भी आएगा. सो पैरेलली यू नीड टू प्रिपेयर फॉर प्रीलिम्स एंड मेंस. कहां प्रिपेयर करेगा? अवर अनअकैडमी न्यू गोल लॉन्च कर दिया आपका प्रिपरेशन के लिए. सो एसएससी जेई स्टेट एई एग्जाम्स के लिए, सिविल स्पेशली सिविल स्टूडेंट्स के लिए दिस प्रिपरेशन विल बी हेल्पफुल बिकॉज यू नीड टू प्रिपेयर पैरेलली प्रीलिम्स एंड मेंस. टेक्निकल सब्जेक्ट्स भी खत्म होना चाहिए. सो दिस SSC JEE and state AE exams we are launching from Monday, that will be more helpful for you. Myself and RP sir only will finish each and every subject required for your mains examination. Every civil engineering technical syllabus completed by me and RP sir. So your Tripura Public Service Commission ka job, our responsibility. So do join our courses in Unacademy. You can get 100% content with experienced, most experienced educator. एग्जाम ओनली एग्जाम ओरिएंटेड, एक्स्ट्रा पीएचडी कंटेंट हम नहीं दे रहे. 20 इयर्स ऑल पीवीक्यू सॉल्व करेगा, लाइव टेस्ट भी करेंगे, सिंपल एंड आसान कंटेंट मिल जाएगा आपको. ओके गाइस, लेट्स क्रैक इट.